Itong aking puno ng kalamansi, marami na yung bunga. Kahit mga kapitbahay ko kung gusto nila, sabi ko kumuha lang kayo kung gusto nyo. Ayan, namumulaklak na naman siya. Tama, mauubos yung bunga niya, mamumulaklak na naman siya ng panibago. Kaya hintayin ko na lang kung gagawa sila dito ng drainage. Hintayin ko na lang kung talagang makukuha itong puno ng kalamansi ko. Pero hanggat hindi pa nila gagawin ang drainage, hayaan ko lang muna siya dito hanggang sa mapakinabangan pa siya. So, hindi umuulan, ilang araw na hindi umuulan, masyadong mainit, tuyong tuyo ang kalsada. Aris SB, hello, thank you for coming. Mom Strofa, hi, thank you for coming. I'm sorry, I cannot give you a moderator because I don't have another cellphone. My cellphone is what do you call this one? Damaged. The other one, my cellphone, the other one is damaged. That's why I cannot give you a moderator. If I buy another cellphone, it's good, but this one only one cellphone I will use now. Ali Songson TV, how are you? Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, my friend.